Ever wondered about the difference between a business analyst and a data analyst? You're not alone. Today, we're breaking it down in a way that's easy to understand. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which career path fits you. What is a business analyst? Briefcase business analysts sit right between the business team and the technology team. Think of them as professional translators. Their job? Talking to business teams, figuring out what they need, and working with tech teams to bring those ideas to life. White heavy checkmark key responsibilities of a business analyst. Talking to business teams to understand their needs. Writing requirement documents. Creating designs and mock-ups. Preparing test cases to ensure things work smoothly. Making presentations and proposals. High voltage sign example. Imagine an insurance company needs a better way to process claims. A business analyst will meet with them, document their needs, create a system design, and ensure developers build the right tool. What is a data analyst? Bar charted data analyst, on the other hand, is a bridge between data and decision-making. Instead of just writing requirements, they dive deep into data to find insights that help businesses make better choices. White heavy checkmark key responsibilities of a data analyst. Talking to business teams to understand what they need. Collecting and cleaning data. Building reports and dashboards using tools like PowerBI, Excel, or Tableau. Testing and ensuring data accuracy. Creating visualizations that make data easy to understand. Example, if an HR manager wants to track employee performance, a data analyst will gather the data, build an interactive dashboard, and provide insights on trends, strengths, and areas to improve. So, which path excites you more? Do you want to solve business problems as a business analyst? Or do you love diving into data and discovering insights as a data analyst? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more career tips.